What's up, traders? Tim here, Volatility Trading. We didn't have any trades today. Today is Wednesday, April 6th, so I figured why not do the March review real quick. I hadn't done one yet. I wanted to, just never really had the time. So if we go to last month, you could see it's March. We'll hit apply real quick, and we're just going to fly through this. There's really not too much to talk about. Look at total return, $1,025.87. Win percentage, 89.39%. Profit factor, 4.42. And a total of 3.42% on the overall account. 66 total trades. Let's jump over to the overview real quick. We can see how many of those were the winners and losers. It should be about like 59, I think. Yeah, 59 winners, 7 losers. We went on a 26 trade win streak there. That was pretty nice. And yeah, I mean, if you want to see any of this, I'll go through it real slow. You can pause the video and take a look. It's not really too much to look at. We can go take a look at the calendar. We were green all month, and except for those last 2 days. So that was a little unfortunate. It's the first time we had back-to-back red days as well, I think, since last March, which was kind of funny. 4 no trade days, 3 of them on Fridays. That's kind of interesting as well. And one last thing I wanted to note is something that we did really well this year. This month is our win size versus our loss size. Look, we got a $91 winner, 62, 62, 56, 48, 47. And if we take a look at the losses, and while this is loading, I just wanted to say, this time last year, we were looking to make $30 a day. And now we have one trade, a few trades that are not only 2x, one was 3x. Like, we're definitely scaling, and I'm hoping by this time next year, we'll be 3x what we're making now, right? That's the idea, is to just kind of keep scaling. But as you can see, we had the one big loser on LAC. Probably shouldn't have been in it. Also lost like an extra $60 or $70 on this one because I hit a wrong button, and then I fought it like an idiot instead of just jumping out. But then look at, our average loss, especially if this was 120, is probably down there in like that $40 range. And so that's really awesome. I mean, even I probably could have checked this in the overview, but I'll just do it real quick. 181 plus 35 plus 31 plus 15 plus 13 plus 12 plus 11. Divide that by 7. So $42. Even with the bigger loss, it's still only $42. So if we're averaging trades that are around that as well, that's pretty awesome. And I'm actually curious. Let's jump into the overview real quick, because it should tell me what the average is on the winners and the losers. So 45 is the average on that. Average on winners is 22.47. I mean, that's pretty awesome. Considering, that's going to have like break-even trades in there, some really smaller winners. But that's awesome. This used to be a huge problem for me, where let's say it was $22, this number would be 100 or 150. Like it was just way too far apart. So I'm learning how to make my winners bigger, and I'm learning how to make my losers smaller, which is something that I wasn't even trying to do. I think that's just through natural progression. I think that's just through continuing to trade, screen time, experience, all that good stuff. So that's all I have. If you do have any questions or comments about the month of March, or just anything in general, feel free to leave those down below. You can always find me in Discord or over on Twitter. And if you want to ask me questions live, you can find me over on Twitch every morning that the market's open. So either I'll see you there, or I'll see you in the next video. Until then, peace.